Imagine a future where every dollar matters, where even small amounts can pave the way to financial freedom. Facing rising living costs, 72% of young adults are taking bold steps to improve their financial health. In today's video, we explore 10 easy budgeting tips for 2026 that empower you to start budgeting with little money, transforming everyday choices into lasting savings. Many of us struggle with the constant challenge of making ends meet. Even when funds are limited, smart and simple budgeting strategies can change the game. Let's dive into our first tip. Create a realistic spending plan. Begin by listing your income and every expense. This clear view lays the foundation for understanding your cash flow. Write it down and adjust regularly. Small lists lead to major insights. Next, track every penny. The secret to successful budgeting lies in monitoring where your money goes. Use a notebook, a spreadsheet, or a budgeting app. This habit, although simple, transforms vague worries into clear decisions. Every recorded expense empowers you to see imbalance and fix it immediately. Our third tip is to set clear financial goals. Whether it's saving for new opportunities, paying down debt, or building an emergency fund, goals fuel determination and provide direction. Visualize your future success and break your larger goals into smaller, manageable steps. Each small win pushes you closer to your brighter financial destination. Tip number 4 focuses on reducing non-essential spending. Review your monthly subscriptions, dining habits, and impulse buys. Cutting back does not mean sacrificing all joys. It means making smart choices that free up funds for what truly matters. With over half of Gen Z adults prioritizing savings over spending on dating or dining out, you too can redirect money toward your future. Our fifth tip is to embrace meal planning and cooking at home. Replacing frequent restaurant outings with home-cooked meals not only nurtures your health, but also saves you money. Plan your weekly menu, buy items in bulk, and enjoy the creativity of preparing delicious, budget-friendly recipes. This simple change can have a powerful impact on your monthly spending. Sixth, harness the power of budgeting apps and tools. In 2025, technology helped thousands streamline their finances. From setting reminders to visualizing spending habits, apps simplify the budgeting process and make it accessible even for busy lives. A few taps on your smartphone can make financial management efficient and empowering. Tip 7 is to automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers to a dedicated savings account. Small, regular contributions build momentum over time, making the discipline of saving effortless. With 58% of Gen Z growing their savings, you can join a movement that promises long-term financial security. Eighth, look for opportunities to earn a little extra. Supplement your income through side hustles, freelance projects, or even selling unused items. Extra funds can serve as a buffer against unexpected costs and help build your emergency fund. This proactive strategy can slowly but surely tip the scales in your favor. Our ninth tip is to regularly review and adjust your budget. As your financial situation evolves, so too should your plan. Check your progress monthly. Tweak your limits, reallocate funds, and celebrate improvements. An adaptable plan is a powerful tool against unexpected life changes. The 10th tip is to build an emergency fund. Even if it starts small, setting aside money for unforeseen expenses creates a safety net. Knowing you have a financial cushion brings peace of mind and strengthens your resolve to stick to your budget. It's a buffer that turns stress into security. Each tip represents a step toward reclaiming control over your finances, a step that transforms challenges into opportunities. As you integrate these strategies, remember that gradual changes lead to significant results. The journey from financial strain to empowerment is paved one deliberate choice at a time. Now, envision a life where every financial decision builds your future. Ready to take control of your finances? Start implementing these practical budgeting tips today and watch your savings grow.